Hi there, folks and learners. Welcome back. Today we want to review the tracker range, how we can adjust our range of motion within our restore activities. So as we're looking here, I've got Ski Saga set up. I am calibrated, ready to play, and I'm going to look at my camera in the bottom right-hand corner. There's a small arrow icon that's pointing up and to the left. Once I click that with my mouse, it's going to bring my camera into the center of the screen. And here you can see I have a purple oval that is kind of framing my upper body. It's stopping here at the center of my chest. And I did that in order to adjust how much movement is necessary on the screen. We have here an icon. It's our tracker range. On the right side of the screen, we have a person icon. Their arms are out with that circle around them. And that is how we're able to find these different frames or tracker ranges. You can see here on this grid, I have 9 options. If I were to select the very top left, I do have the full camera range. So as I'm seated here, even if I move my chair back a bit, I have to really reach to the far corners, the very top, bottom of the screen in order to engage. I really have a lot of range of motion here. But if I had, a frozen shoulder or arthritis, I needed to have, smaller movements, I can find something like that purple oval. It's very small. Once I bring up my object, now I can look at that, use wrist movements, and I'm still engaging with the activity on the screen. Rather than having to stand or take steps, I can now weight shift. And I can engage here with the game Ski Saga by switching lanes, and I'm just slightly shifting my weight. So that is how we can access and adjust the tracker range in order to create the just right fit for your players. I would like to note the bottom row here, you can see 3 options with a semicircle. So that's really great if we're laying maybe in bed, we have a laptop on a tray table. Now we don't have to move beneath that purple line in order to engage with the screen. Thank you so much.